Okay, this is an Interlift ILK33. It's a 2004. We're going to be removing it from this truck and we'll be selling it to any potential buyers. And we'll show you it operates fine. It's all cleaned up. And this will be located at our dealership, Arizona Commercial Truck Sales, located at 2560 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona, 85226. Our phone number is 480-833-2200. And our website is azcommercialtrucks.net. And the nice thing about this liftgate, it does have a kick plate. It works too. There you go. This is a cantilever style liftgate. 2,500 pound capacity. And it's in great shape. Let's see how we have it mounted here. Again, we're with Arizona Commercial Truck Sales. Our website's azcommercialtrucks.net. And our phone number is 480-833-2200. Either ask for Jeff or for Bob for more details on this liftgate. Thank you.